Welcome back.
What is this? Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Amelia and you are welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing. I'm going to unbox wigs that I got from AliExpress. I waited for these wigs for 50 days. I'm serious, for 50 days. I don't know what happened this time, but I literally had to wait, especially those that I got from the post office. It's been since around March 16th. I've waited since March 16th and today is May 21st. So about the delivery, but those that I got from Speedup are actually, the delivery process was smooth. It took about 3 weeks as usual. So I ordered for these wigs from AliExpress, and as usual I'll be doing an unboxing with you guys. Feel free to ask for the link to whichever wig that you want. So first and foremost, I want to, is this a disclaimer? I'm not sure. Anyway, for this package was actually marked delivered without me receiving it. Speedup Logistics is what handled this package for me, and I was so disappointed this time because literally I got a message like a week ago and the package was marked delivered. So I reached out to the seller and asked them, why is my package showing it's delivered yet I've not got it? And then they told me that I should contact my logistics company, and then I contacted them and they gave me stories of they'll get back to me and that. So for a moment I actually thought that I had lost my millions. I thought that maybe the courier guy gave out my package to someone else, because that has happened to me before. Like, not to my package, but he has ever delivered a wrong package to me. Like, he gave me a package of somebody else, mine inclusive, but gave me someone else's package too. So it was up to me to actually call him and then inform him that, you know what, a package in my package is not my package. I don't know what happened, but I'm just thankful that actually I've got it, because if I had lost this package, oh my god. Ever since I bought that October D, it has never dropped my phone. And this time when I got a microphone, it wants to drop my phone and break my mic. Like, my mic has even bent like that. Anyway guys, let's get to unboxing. So this is my first package and I'm so excited. So I ordered for 8 wigs in this package and I'm going to be reviewing each and every one of them. This is a 16-inch bob. I remember actually ordering for a 4x4 16-inch bob, but from what I can see, they instead packed for me an ear-to-ear bob. I'm kind of disappointed because I had specifically ordered for it because it was a client's order. Like, good enough, they didn't pay me, but you know, somebody wanted a 4x4 16-inch wig. Anyway, this is the let's try it on. It's human hair, very soft by the way, and then it's ear to ear. It has an elastic band in case you want to make it glueless. This is giving 14-inch. I think I should start buying 16-inch bobs only, because it seems like they're the only ones that make sense in terms of, wow, I like this. I love this. They're the ones that make sense in terms of, you know, wow. I love this. I love it. So you can do a side parting and a middle parting. For the first time in a really long time, I've not got a bob wig with a huge space, and the hair is, the front hair is not short. That's what I can say, because normally these bob wigs come with very short front hair, but I love this. Actually, I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love with this. It's very cute. This is a 16 inches wig bob. It's my first time ordering for 16-inch from this company. I usually order curly wigs. It's my first time ordering for a straight 16-inch wig from this company. I usually order very short inches, for example 10 inches, but the 10 inches come like so short. I've even failed to sell them. Anyway, this is the front of the hair. I think I love it already, and let's see the back. So this is the back of the hair. Yeah, it's so pretty. The cap size is not as small as it usually is, because normally when I order for these wigs, oh my god, the cap size, it's so tiny. Now, if you have a very big head, then the wig can't actually fit you. Usually these wigs from AliExpress are not big head friendly, so when you're placing your order, you should actually inform the seller to pack for you wigs that are large cap size. Chinese have really small heads, so when they pack for you a medium size, your edges might be out. Factory wigs will remain factory wigs. When making your order, you have to tell the seller in advance and let them know that, can you please pack for me a large cap size. So next up, so for this part, I actually need to do a voiceover, simply because as I was talking, I literally pressed my microphone and turned it off, and I didn't realize until later after explaining about this wig. But don't worry, the voiceover is just 20 seconds because I noticed it early. So basically I ordered for a 26-inch curly brown wig, but then the seller sent me something else. They sent me a wig that was packaged in a 30-inch bag, and at this point I was just trying to make sure that I made the right order, and I was showing you proof that, guys, I ordered for a 26-inch wig. I didn't order for a 30-inch wig, and I knew that there is no way this seller would even give me a 30-inch wig instead of a 26-inch wig, guys. AliExpress sellers, who does that? So basically, yeah, I proved myself right, and then it was time for me to check out this wig, and oh my god, I loved this wig. Actually, this was my best purchase today. At that time, but this was my best purchase. You could see how excited I was. At this point, you couldn't tell me nothing. I was so excited. Anyway, this is a 26-inch brown curly wig, and I've not ordered from this company before. I've not ordered this kind of wig from this company before. And this wig actually had no reviews, so I took a great risk, and I don't regret my purchase. Guys, the wig was so soft, and it's an ear-to-earless wig. It's basically a 13x4 wig. The hair was soft. That's all I can say. It was so soft. And then I was getting ready to try on my wig. I was being so goofy. Those are the curls up close. So basically these are water wave wigs, and with these curls you just need to spray them with water in case you want the curly pattern to pop. And if you want an afro look,
you just need to brush out the curls with a wide tooth comb or a wide toothbrush. Please take note to use a wide tooth comb, because if you use a comb that has, like, you know, very tiny spaces, then you will literally lose all your hair. That's how you find people with a 30-inch wig, and in about like 2 months the wig is 14 inches, because you are just combing out the hair and it's breaking on a daily. So you have to take note of that. The size of the cap of this wig was friendly. It wasn't tight on my head, but it was just perfect for when you actually need to make your wig glueless. And the lace was really transparent. It almost looked like an HD lace. So you don't need to do a lot while melting the lace, because this will literally blend and melt in so quickly. So anyway, this wig has very good volume, and the more you comb this wig, the bigger it gets.
This is my best purchase in a really long time, because look at the hair. It's so soft, guys. I'm going to just turn around for you and you see. Guys, look at the back. This is it from the back, and it's so pretty. Wow, and it's giving length and volume. So these are the curls. You can do a middle parting or a side parting, and as I told you earlier, you can actually spray this hair with water, or you can just choose. I'm so scared because the last time I was recording, actually I had no volume, so let me first check. So you can just spray this hair with water mixed with conditioner. You spray on the hair and then you comb, in case you want to maintain the curls. This is the curl pattern when it's wet. I've done this before, so those who follow me actually know how these wigs look like when they are wet. So guys, run and buy this hair. And by the way, this hair is very cheap. It's really cheap. And yeah, this is the lace. It's a 13 by 4 lace, and the wig has an elastic cap in case you want to make the wig glueless. So if you want to spray the hair with water, you just have to spray on the curls and then you comb the hair. And then when it's dry, so you see those curls, they are wet, and if you want an afro look, you just comb it out when it's dry. So I ordered for 16 inches of the water wave wigs. These are black water wave wigs, and I've bought these wigs before from this company, and I think I've showed them here before. So these are the 16-inch curls, and then the wig has an ear-to-ear lace, comes with an elastic band as usual. You can comb out this hair to make it have an afro look, or you can just spray it with water mixed with conditioner. This is what is shading so far. So in terms of shading, the wig doesn't really shade. I have got wigs that shade like crazy. Anyway, this is a water wave wig. These wigs are normally for beginners. If you're a beginner, you should plug yourself with this. They are really low maintenance. All you need to have is your spray bottle and your comb. So you can do a middle parting or a side parting with this hair, whichever you like. So this is the back view of the 16-inch wig. In case you want something shorter, then you can go for maybe the 14-inch, because usually 14, 12, 16, okay, 14, 16, they look the same, short hair. But if you go for height like 26, that's when you actually see the difference. So yeah, this is the hair when brushed out. And as I said before, if you feel like you don't want the brushed out look, you can always opt to spray water on the hair so that the hair comes down. But most people, actually, I realize most people actually prefer the brushed out look. If AliExpress would make these wigs bigger, I mean with more volume, then I believe people would actually buy more. I'm yet to find a seller that sells like wigs with very big volume and really delivers them as seen in the picture. Actually, for my next video, I'm going to be tagging what I ordered versus what I got, so that you guys, when you're making your decision to buy, you know exactly what the seller is advertising and then what you're actually going to get, because these differ a lot. That's why you guys should ask for the links to these hairs so that you make the right choice, so that you get actually what you see here. I ordered for 3, 4, 5, 6. I ordered for 6 of these wigs. They are actually all the same. I'm just going to check them quickly for quality. I received this one and it's not in a labeled bag, so I don't know, it might be shorter. You know, these sellers are very wise. They are very wise, by the way. I just want to check and compare, because this particular wig came with a bag that doesn't have a label. And yeah, I'm right. I feel like, is it the same? Yeah, I think it's the same height, right? Anyway, these are the curls. So when you put them in the sun, that's how they look like. They are very nice hair and they are affordable. I just discovered this company this year on AliExpress. I used not to order from them before, because most of the companies that I used to order from last year, I think they went out of business or something. I don't know. I used to order a lot from Livia store, Umi store, and they had very nice hairs. But as of this year, the pages just disappeared. Like the sellers, I don't know if they keep changing names. I really don't know. I just ended up, you know, for me, the way I do it on this platform, I usually just hit and miss. You know, sometimes I order hair and it comes really nice sometimes. So that's why I'm here for you. I'm here for you so that you make a decision. You actually see what I get, and if you like it, you can order for it. So these are all the same. I believe they're the same. Next package. This is from another seller on AliExpress. So I've ordered from this store before very many times. I usually like the quality of these wigs. So today, this is the packaging. They came in these bags, and I ordered for 3 wigs, and I believe they are the same, because normally for each store I have something that I usually buy from there. I don't buy all my hairs from one store. They usually give me a hair tie and a wig cap. Wow! Wow! Oh my god! This is a 26 inches curly black wig. I'm so excited. I've really taken long without. Wow. Guys, are you seeing this? This is so bougie. Oh my god. The hair is giving. It's giving. These are the curls up close. You know, since it's been in transit, you know, it's been squashed up, so it's looking this way, but it's so pretty. You can agree with me. And For the first time, the volume looks quite heavy with this hair. These are the curls. And again, these are water wave wigs. This is when you order for 26 inches. This is what you get. I love this volume. I do love this volume. This volume is giving. So you can do this actually as a side part or a middle part. Just going to tilt it. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty, and the volume is too much. Wow, and guys, the more you comb this hair, the bigger it gets. Should I show you? Let me show you. I realized with these water wigs, the more you comb them, the bigger they get. Like if I keep combing a certain part repeatedly, it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. It's until you just want to. Wow, I love it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Anyway, this is so pretty. This is a 26 inches, and if you compare it to the brown wig that I showed you earlier, this is looking a bit shorter, but this has way more volume. I feel like just perfect. This is the back. So in case, as I told you before, in case you want something long, you should always order for 26 inches and above. So guys, you should actually grab yourself a wig from this seller. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I buy these wigs with my own money, and then I come here and review the wigs. So when you pour water, when you spray the wig with water, the curls come down, it settles down a little, and if you want it big, you just have to keep combing it out. So this is my second best purchase. Indeed, I love this. I really love this. Please ask me for a link for this, please, in the comments. So the other two wigs that I got from this package are the same, and I'm so happy. This time the seller just did their best, because wow, they are so vibrant. You know, I sent him a message and told him, please, I want very healthy hair, dark in color, and I want hair that was got from very healthy heads. You know, sometimes they send you hair that is brownish, but this, guys, this is wow. This actually, of all curly wigs that I've ordered before, these from this company, this is so far the best. So because the volume is what I've loved most about these wigs. By the way, they are also ear to ear, and then they don't have an elastic band, but they have these tiny straps that you can put together and wear your wig glueless, in case you want something that's glueless. But if you don't want something glueless, then you can just do an installation. Again, very thick, very black chef's kiss, 16 inches burgundy wigs. Should I call it burgundy or maroon? I don't know. Anyway, these are the wigs that I ordered, and this is the 16-inch size. You know, the light is hitting it, so I don't know if it's just changing color. It's looking so bright in the video, more than what I see in my eyes. But yeah, this is the wig. this wig, I noticed that it has a very white lace, like the lace is more white than the other wigs that I ordered. So this is the Burgundy. Wow, I love it. You can do a side parting or a middle parting. The curls in this wig actually,
Bruh.
this has very loose curls when you comb it out, as you can tell. But maybe if you pass by very quick, no one will notice. But anyway, I've ordered from this company before, and the first batch that they sent me was way better than this. But if you are somebody who wants very loose curls, then you can definitely take this. So you can tell that the part where I've not combed yet, the curls are still, holding up. But once you comb, the curls loosen up. But there's a solution for that. In case you want tighter curls, you can always just spray your wig with water and then you comb. Ooh, nice. So, in case you want that, you just spray your wig with water and you comb. So, these are the curls when wet, and then when it dries out, if you want the curls to stay, just don't comb them out. But yeah, that's the difference. You can tell these curls are more popping than this, right? And then it relaxes here and gets bigger here. So this is the back of the wig. For the money that I actually spent on this wig, I am not complaining, guys. Really, I'm not complaining. The wig is good enough, but I think I prefer the black one. Yeah, and oh wow, I think I prefer this look. To the brushed out look for this wig. I ordered for 5 of these wigs, so all the wigs are the same. They are the same. Yeah, definitely. It also has a white lace. Lastly, I have this wig. Wait, I ordered for a 26-inch. Hold on. Now this is. I ordered for a 26 inches, 13 by 4 wig, 220 grams. And first of all, the wig is 24 inches. I'm already disappointed. This couldn't get worse. Oh my god. This could not get any worse. Guys, look at the lace. Look at the lace. I ordered for a 13 by 4, 26 inches, 250 grams wig. And this wig is very thin. It's very thin. It's very short. I used to order from this company, and before it was serious, but of late I feel like they just do whatever they feel like doing. Because what is this? Anyway, first of all, they sent me a 24-inch wig. Secondly, they sent me a wig that is already pre-cut. Like, I didn't order for a pre-cut lace. Third, this is not 250 grams. This is like 150 grams. And then you can tell that the ends of the hair are very thin. Then the reasonable hair stops here. Oh god. This company should just style up. This is not the first time, but they haven't disappointed me as much as today. I don't know. I really don't know. Like, I've got, when I order 250 density, please send me 250 density. If I order for 26 inches, please send 26 inches. Anyway, this is the wig. I think it needs some ironing and then it will look better than this. But first of all, I hate the fact that it has a pre-cut lace, because these are harder to sew. So this is the back of the hair, and this is where the tail ends. Anyway guys, I think I'll have to work a lot with this wig to make it better. First of all, it's thin and whatever. Anyway guys, that's it for my video, and I'll keep unboxing more and more wigs when I get them. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so that you can see more of these videos. I do a lot of wig reviews. Bye.